in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your Chromebook to factory settings. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the system launcher and search for settings. Best result, come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, go down and select system preferences. And then on the right side, scrolling down, there should be an item underneath reset, power wash, remove all user accounts and reset your device to be like new. Select reset. A restart will be required before the reset can continue. You would select restart. And then again, make sure your files are all backed up because this is going to reset your device. Just please keep that in mind. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.